Hey, it's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, the only yoga studio where flexibility is not required. And today I'm going to show you how to use a yoga block. So when you're ready, grab a yoga block or a blanket or a book, something that looks kind of like this. Now the first yoga pose we're going to look at is seated. So place the yoga block on the ground and have a seat. It's really that simple. When you get your hips a little bit higher off the ground, it takes the pressure off your hips, low back, and your knees. So it makes sitting up easier, whether you're sitting for meditation or you're sitting in yoga class. It just makes it easier. So give that a try and let me know what you think. Please subscribe because I'm keeping my beard until we hit 1,000 subscribers. This beard is driving me nuts. So please subscribe. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll shave. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.